Have you ever looked up at the night sky, filled with countless stars, and felt a sense of awe? It's vast, mysterious, and beautiful. But what if I told you that a universe just as complex and wondrous exists right here, inside each and every one of us? It's not a metaphor, it's a scientific reality. Let's take a journey into the incredible cosmos that is the human body. First, let's talk about scale. We often feel small compared to the universe, but the numbers inside us are just as mind-boggling. Your body is made up of an estimated 37 trillion cells. To put that into perspective, our Milky Way galaxy has about 100 to 400 billion stars. So you have thousands of times more cells in your body than there are stars in our entire galaxy. Each of these cells is a bustling city, a tiny world of its own, working in perfect harmony. Think about it. 37 trillion individual units, all cooperating to make you, you. And it's not just our own cells. We are also home to a vast microbiome. We have trillions of microorganisms, bacteria, viruses, fungi living in and on us, especially in our gut. In fact, these microbial cells outnumber our human cells by some estimates. This isn't an invasion. It's a symbiotic relationship. This internal galaxy of microbes helps us digest food, produces essential vitamins, and even trains our immune system. It's a living ecosystem, a diverse and vibrant world that we carry with us everywhere. So you're never truly alone. You're a walking, talking planet teeming with life. Now, let's zoom into one of the most incredible structures in the known universe, the human brain. Your brain contains around 86 billion neurons. Each neuron can connect thousands of other neurons, creating a network of connections called synapses. The total number of synapses in your brain is estimated to be in the hundreds of trillions, possibly even a quadrillion. That's more connections than there are stars in thousands of Milky Way galaxies. This intricate network is where your thoughts, memories, emotions, and consciousness are born. Every time you learn something new, you are physically rewiring this cosmic web, creating new pathways and strengthening old ones. It's an ever-changing, dynamic universe of thought. Consider the electrical activity in your brain. The firing of neurons creates tiny electrical signals. The combined energy is small, but it's constant. Your brain is a powerhouse of activity, processing information faster than the most powerful supercomputers. It manages your breathing, your heartbeat, your senses, all while allowing you to ponder the mysteries of the actual universe. It's like having a supercluster of galaxies, all firing and communicating in a symphony of electrical pulses right inside your head. Let's move on to the highways of this internal universe, your circulatory system. If you were to lay out all the blood vessels in your body arteries, veins and capillaries end to end, they would stretch for about 60,000 miles. That's long enough to circle the Earth more than twice. Every single day, your heart, a tireless engine, pumps blood through this immense network, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every single one of your 37 trillion cells. This river of life is constantly flowing, a cosmic current ensuring that every corner of your personal universe is sustained. Imagine tiny spaceships, your red blood cells navigating this complex web of tunnels to deliver vital cargo. It's happening inside you right now. And what about the very stuff we're made of? The atoms in your body were forged in the hearts of dying stars billions of years ago. The carbon, the nitrogen, the oxygen, all the essential elements for life, were created in stellar explosions called supernovas and scattered across the cosmos. Over eons, these elements came together to form planets, including Earth, and eventually, life. So, you are literally made of stardust. The iron in your blood, which carries oxygen, was created in a distant star. When you look at your hand, you are looking at atoms that have traveled across space and time to become part of you. You are a living, breathing collection of ancient star matter. You are a child of the cosmos in the most literal sense. Let's think about the information stored within us. Your DNA, the blueprint of your life, is an incredible data storage device. A single strand of DNA is packed into the nucleus of every cell. If you were to uncoil all the DNA in all your cells and lay it end to end, it would stretch from the Earth to the Sun and back hundreds of times. The amount of information encoded in your DNA is staggering. It contains the instructions for building every protein, every cell, every part of you. It's a library of cosmic proportions, holding the history of your ancestors and the potential for future generations. This genetic code connects you to every living thing on this planet, a shared language written in the molecules of life. Even the processes happening at the smallest scale are like cosmic events. Take a protein, for example. The way it folds into a specific three-dimensional shape is a complex dance guided by the laws of physics and chemistry. A single misfold can have huge consequences, just as a slight change in a planet's orbit can change its entire climate. Every second, millions of these intricate ballets are happening inside your cells. It's a universe of microscopic precision and elegance. So, why does this matter? Understanding the universe within us can fundamentally change how we see ourselves and our place in the world. When you feel down or insignificant, remember the 37 trillion cells working tirelessly for you. Remember the trillions of microbes that are your partners in life. Remember the stardust in your veins and the cosmic web of neurons in your brain. You are not just a person. You are a walking, talking, thinking universe. You are a marvel of biology and a masterpiece of cosmic evolution. This perspective can inspire a profound sense of self-care and respect for our bodies. When you eat a healthy meal, you are providing fuel for your internal galaxy. When you exercise, you are strengthening the cosmic highways of your circulatory system. When you get enough sleep, you are allowing your brain to process the day's events and maintain its intricate network. And when you're facing mental health challenges, remember that this complex system sometimes needs support. Reaching out for help is like calling in the expert astronomers and engineers to help maintain your inner cosmos. There's no shame in that. Even the grandest universes have their complexities and require care. Every breath you take is an exchange with the world around you, a reminder that your internal universe is connected to the external one. The air you breathe, the food you eat, the light you see, it all becomes a part of you. We are not separate from the universe. We are a part of it, and it is a part of us. We are a way for the cosmos to know itself. Next time you look up at the stars, take a moment to also look within. Appreciate the incredible, complex, and beautiful universe that is you. You are a story written in stardust, a symphony of life playing out on a scale that is both impossibly small and infinitely vast. You are a miracle. Thank you for joining me on this journey into our inner cosmos. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content that dives deep into the wonders of our world and ourselves. See you next time